Don't you know how to use Dataslayer with BigQuery? Don't worry, we are going to explain it to you. Once you have logged into Dataslayer, you will go directly to our BigQuery product. Let's create a new transfer by clicking on New Transfer button. All data sources are included in our plans. Select the data source you want to extract the data. For this example, we will select Google Ads. Follow the login process and grant Dataslayer the necessary permission to transfer the data. After that, you have to select the account you want to extract data from. And we configure the date range, choosing the last month, or choose the days we want on the calendar. Afterwards, we will choose the metrics and dimensions we want. And we can order the dimensions by date. We can configure filters, as well as extra options that will make your query more personalized. We can also save this configuration as a template to use in the future and load templates. You can use pre-established templates or choose ones that you have customized. Next, we configure the destination. The first step is to select the BigQuery email where the data will be sent. Then, fill in all the fields. It is important to know that the project must be previously created in your BigQuery account. Transfer name is the name of the transfer in Dataslayer. You can also configure the time zone. In Project, you select the ones that you already have created in BigQuery. You also have the option to create a dataset from Dataslayer. The database table is the name of the table in BigQuery. Now comes an important part. We select the write mode. Append. It will add the new data to the end of the table. This is the most used and recommended mode. Replace deletes all the data from the table and adds the new ones. Use it with caution. And Upset refreshes all the data in the table and puts the new ones below. It takes longer because you have to update the previous data. Then we select the Sync Frequency Schedule, where we can establish times to refresh the database. With manually, all the data is added at the same time. It is recommended if you have little data, 1 or 2 months. Manually splitted. It is recommended if you have a lot of data, for example 5 years, the data is added day by day to avoid errors. In this case, we choose manually because we have selected 1 month of data. To finish, we click on Save and Refresh to enter the data in BigQuery. Once the data has been entered correctly, we can see the query we just created. We can also see all the transfers that have been made. We have several actions such as edit, duplicate, delete, or refresh. And if you press the Help button, it will take you to our FAQs. That's how easy and quick it is to have the information you need with Dataslayer.